Tesla Cybertruck production won't be reliant on 4680 battery cell ramp. The Tesla Cybertruck is coming. That much is sure. IDRA, the company responsible for creating the Giga Press that will be used on the vehicle, has already finished testing the gargantuan machine. Sections of Gigafactory Texas where Cybertruck production is expected have also become a hub of activity. With this in mind, and as confirmed by Elon Musk during the TSLA Q3 2022 earnings call, Tesla is now in the final lap of its preparations for Cybertruck production. It was then no surprise that Wall Street had questions about whether Cybertruck production is reliant on the company's 4680 battery cell ramp or not. Unveiled during Battery Day in 2020, Tesla's 4680 cells are expected to be a difference maker for the company's next generation of vehicles. Since the 4680 cells are expected to provide substantial cost savings and a notable boost in power to Tesla's vehicles, expectations were high that the batteries would be used in vehicles like the Tesla Semi and the Cybertruck. Tesla's 4680 ramp, however, has been quite deliberate so far, with Giga Texas now also building Model Y units equipped with 2170 cells. Thus, during the Q3 2022 earnings call, Tony Sacconaghi of Bernstein inquired if the company's 4680 battery cell ramp could end up becoming a gating factor for Cybertruck production. After all, if the Cybertruck is reliant on 4680 cells, the production of the vehicle could only increase at the same pace as the battery's ramp. According to Elon Musk, however, Cybertruck production would not be reliant on the 4680 battery cell ramp at all. Musk noted that while the output of 4680 cells from Tesla's battery production facilities is growing exponentially, we don't anticipate this being any limiting factor for the Cybertruck or anything else. Considering Musk's previous comments, it would seem that the Semi and perhaps the Cybertruck may be launched with the company's 2170 cells. Musk seemed to hint at a similar strategy in the Q2 2022 earnings call when he noted that Tesla has enough 2170 cells to satisfy its vehicle production for the rest of the year. It is worth emphasizing that we have enough 2170 cells to satisfy all vehicle production for the remainder of the year, so we're not dependent on 4680. 4680 will be important next year, but it is not important for this year, Musk said. Tesla officially begins Cybertruck tooling at Texas Gigafactory. Last evening, after the stock market closed, Tesla officially released its Q3 2022 financial report. It was followed by the usual earnings conference call, during which CEO Elon Musk was present, which isn't always the case. For people interested in learning more about the popular Tesla Cybertruck, the report revealed that tooling has already begun for the electric pickup truck at Giga Texas. Tesla didn't focus on the Cybertruck or really any solitary dominating topic during the call itself. Nonetheless, there were many juicy morsels as there typically are when Musk is present and talking, many of which we've already reported on. However, much more information is available in the actual written report, so you have to go digging. Teslarati discovered the detail about the Cybertruck in Tesla's Q3 2022 shareholder deck. There's a page that we've shared with you before that lists the automaker's installed annual vehicle capacity. This page gives people an idea of just how many vehicles Tesla has the capacity to produce at each factory, and it also helps shed light on the company's growth. With that said, Tesla's vehicles are also listed along with the factory and/or factories where they're built. Where the Model 3, Y, S, and X are listed, the page notes production. Near the bottom of the chart, it lists Roadster and Robotaxi and others as in development. Meanwhile, the Tesla Semi is shown as early production. However, the most interesting change here is that the Cybertruck is now listed with the status of tooling. The chart also lists the Cybertruck under Texas, which we already knew, but it's not uncommon for changes to be made. It seems Tesla may be building the Semi in an unknown location in Reno, Nevada, at least temporarily, and the chart does list Nevada. Tesla continues to stick to its plan of launching the Cybertruck around the middle of 2023. While exciting, this is many years after the truck was unveiled and people placed their pre-orders. We can only hope not only that Tesla doesn't have to delay production yet again, and that once production is underway, it can ramp quickly and successfully to ensure that it has the ability to deliver 1 million electric trucks, if necessary. Aside from Tesla's recent confirmations about Cybertruck production, we have learned that the company may be producing battery packs for the electric truck on a new line at the Fremont factory. We also shared reports that the massive 9,000-ton Giga Press produced by IDRA may already be on site at Giga Texas, and at least 2 Cybertruck prototypes or bodies appear to be on site as well. This is what the Tesla Cybertruck means for the future of SUV design. The Tesla Cybertruck pushes the pickup and SUV industry towards lifestyle-focused vehicles. Musk's Tesla doesn't only intend to change the direction of the EV passenger car industry. The company has numerous other projects in the work. The Tesla truck aims to revolutionize the hauling industry. The reborn Roadster will give Porsche's EVs yet more competition. Most notably, the Cybertruck drew attention to the brand's other projects. A pickup truck with a futuristic design, the Cybertruck straddles the line between SUV and pickup truck. Like all Teslas, this car will revolutionize its market segment, or at least it will when the vehicle eventually arrives to customers. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk is a visionary, or at the very least poses as one. A co-founder of PayPal, the entrepreneur pioneered digital payment systems, bolstering his already impressive inherited wealth. SpaceX strives to make space achievable again. For us gearheads, we associate Musk mainly with Tesla, the ultimate expression of EV potential, as well as his impressive personal collection of cars. With ludicrous acceleration and futuristic design, Tesla paved the way for the EVs that we see coming from brands like Hyundai and Ford. A trendsetter, the company set the direction of the industry. Tesla truly is inseparable from the EV. Tesla's Cybertruck pushes the pickup and SUV industry towards lifestyle-focused luxury vehicles. This is how the Cybertruck plans to change the SUV market. According to Tesla, the Cybertruck offers better utility than a truck with more performance than a sports car. Quite the statement from the California-based automotive manufacturer. Over the past decade, demand for extra sporty SUVs only increased. Take for example Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk and Range Rover SVR models. These cars essentially act as a successor to the muscle car. With large displacement V8 engines, these cars pack the punch of a muscle car, but as a result of their weight, they lack the true handling dynamics of a sports car. The Cybertruck may change this. Yes, EVs are exceptionally heavy, and throughout a lap of the Nürburgring, a regular Porsche 911 Carrera will catch up to a Tesla. But with battery technology comes the opportunity to mount the batteries low in the body, as seen on the new Ioniq. This results in a lower center of gravity and better handling dynamics. Tesla promises a 0 to 60 time of 2.9 seconds. While not as impressive as their Plaid model, this beats pretty much any truck on the market to 60 miles per hour. After all, the competing F-150 Lightning achieves this in a comparatively weak 3.8 seconds. Somewhat optimistically, the company promises a range of up to 500 miles, something very few manufacturers currently offer. Currently, only Lucid offers a 500-mile range between charges. Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos about Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.